الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم ولا عدوان إلا على الظالمين وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. Today inshallah ta'ala we will start with the first lesson of Al-Qaida Al-Nawraniyya. Before we start we have we can say some steps which we will follow during reading of this book or during studying. First of all, for anything if you want to read, you are looking to it. For example, if I have one word I want to read it, so I should look at this word before I read. So this is the first step. Before you read or while you are reading, you should look at what you are reading. This means we will use our eyes. Then while reading in this book, I will use also my finger. For example, if I want to read one letter or any word or anything, I will refer it or I will point to this word using my finger. So this is the first step. Second step. Third, if I want to read or pronounce or spell or anything, I should use my mouth or my tongue. So this is the most important tips which we should follow during reading of this book. I should use my eyes. I should look what I am reading. If I want to read this letter, so I should look at this letter. I am using my eyes. Also, I am using my finger. Also, I am using my mouth while I'm reading. Okay. This is the first step or instruction which we should follow. Second, if I'm speaking about the aim or the purpose of this lesson, now we are making like a foundation. We are starting from the beginning. If I want to start with the first thing in any language, I should start with the alphabets or letters. So today's lesson is speaking about the single Arabic alphabets, which is our foundation for our building. Okay. Third, I want to say something, and it's so important. Don't use English language to help you to read Arabic words or Arabic letters. For example, I teach so many people before they are non-Arab. Okay. They find that it's the Arabic alphabet or the Arabic language is very hard, so they start writing English word, not by meaning, just by alphabets, and this a very common mistake. Don't use any other language to learn a different language. So if I want to, for example, some people, if they want to read this alif, they will write it in English. They will write A-L-I-F. So if I want to or I ask someone to read, he will say alif, and this is not correct because it's Arabic language. Arabic language is unique. It's different than any other language. So please, if you want to learn Arabic language, you should learn it 100% Arabic. Don't use any other language. Then while we are reading or studying this book, we will read, we can say mostly all of what's written for each page. Sometimes there are some items we will not read, but mostly we will read the other content of the book. We will start now with the first lesson, and the way of reading we should all of us follow and read same as I will start reading. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الدرس الأول حروف الهجاء المفردة. This means single Arabic alphabets. ألف با تا ثا جيم حا خا دال ذال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ها همزة يا يا. There are something I think all of you notice. We have, if you look, we have something written in black and the other written in red color. What is the difference between both of them? For each Arabic alphabets, it have, we can say, two features for identification. It have a name and shape. So what's written in black in this page is the shape of the letter. This is the way how I write the letter. What's written in English, or what's written in red color, is the name of the letter. Here it's alif, and this one it's ba, this one is ta. So this is the name. So if I want to make identification for any Arabic letter, I should have two items. I should use the name of the letter and the shape of the letter. The name of the letter is fixed, not changed. For example, my name is Mahmoud. Yesterday I was Mahmoud. Today I am still Mahmoud, and tomorrow inshallah I am Mahmoud. What is the difference? Only the look. Today I'm wearing white, maybe next time brown, maybe blue, whatever. But my name is still fixed. So it is same for the Arabic alphabets. The name of the letter is fixed, but the shape of the letter may be differ from one type to another type, or from one shape to another shape. And this what will we know inshallah, and what will we learn next lesson. I have something also to mention. Here we have two letters, ya and ya. What is the difference between these two letters? This what we inshallah we will learn next lesson, and I want from all of you to start investigation to see what is the difference between these two letters, ya without dots and ya with two dots. Inshallah ta'ala, next lesson we will continue our book, and I hope from everyone to start studying and start practicing. And if you practice more, you will gain knowledge more. You will be able to pronounce and recite Quran well. جزاكم الله خيرا. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.